A nucleus acts as a control center for all activities performed by the cell. Like the principal office of the school, the principal is in charge of the whole school operating inside his or her office. The major function of a nucleolus is the making of cheap disposable copies of DNA. A printer prints out copies of paper that the computer sends to the printer to print disposable copies of documents. The main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to make cellular products like hormones and lipids. It distributes those products throughout the cell and to places in the organism. The road leads the cars to the desired place, as roads can distribute the cars in different directions depending on their destination, like how the smooth endoplasmic reticulum distributes cellular products like hormones and lipids throughout the cell to places in the organism.
The function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is to help with protein synthesis. The rough ER is a transport for proteins like a road transports cars. The major function of the Golgi apparatus is the modifying, sorting, and packaging of proteins for secretion. A router modifies, sorts, and packages information like the Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins. The mitochondria is involved in making energy or ATP by performing cellular respiration. The mitochondria produce usable energy for the cell through cellular respiration, like the power box converts usable energy to provide power to the houses. In photosynthesis, the chloroplasts work to convert the sun's light energy into sugars that can be used by cells. The solar panels on a calculator use light energy to provide power to it, like the chloroplasts convert the sun's light energy to power plant cells.
The vacuoles act as closets for storing various products that are needed by the cell. A great example of this would be a refrigerator. It stores food in a safe place for easy access. Lysosomes are involved in digestion and recycling of molecules. They are full digestive enzymes. A great example of this would be hand sanitizer. It breaks down germs and removes them from the cell.
The function of a cytoskeleton is to help support and protect the cell. The museum protects the artworks inside from damage, much like the cytoskeleton does to its organelles.
The main function of the centriole is to help with cell division in an animal cell. The centriole help in the formation of the spindle fibers that separate the chromosomes during cell division. The example we use for this is a fishing pole because the spindle fibers closely resemble the fishing string. The plasma cell membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of a cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane is selectively permeable to ions and organic molecules and controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. An example of this would be a gate. It separates two different places but still allows for people to go in and out.